Hello friends, we are going to draw a flowchart for decimal to binary conversion. For example, if you give a decimal number 4, the flowchart will convert it into equivalent binary number 100. Like this, it will work for any decimal to binary conversion. For this, we are going to draw a flowchart. So this is the logical start of the flowchart. I am obtaining an input from the user, input n, that means the decimal number is stored in the variable n. Now I am checking a condition. If n greater than 0, if n greater than 0, if the condition is true, if the condition is true, I am calculating r equal to n modulo 2. Modulo operator divides n by 2 and returns a remainder that is stored in the variable r. Next step, append r to b. I am appending the value of r to a variable b. Next step, n equal to n double slash 2, that is integer division of 2. N is divided by 2, the whole part will be stored, fraction part will get omitted. Next, I am connecting the flow line back to the decision statement to check the condition again. Again check if n greater than 0 and n modulo 2 will be performed. The remainder is stored in the variable r and the value of variable r get appended to the variable b. Then n equal to n double slash 2. So the loop will go until n greater than 0. If n greater than 0, false. That may n may reach 0. N equal to 0. In such a case, the condition is false. In that case, if the condition is false, so what I am doing, I am reversing b. Reversing the value stored in the variable b, and next step, printing print b. I am printing the results stored in the variable b, and this is the logical end of the flowchart. So, logical start, I am obtaining the input n from the user and checking if n greater than 0, the condition is true. My remainder r equal to n modulo 2. N is divided by 2. Remainder is stored in the variable r and append r to b. The value in the r is appended with the variable b and n equal to n double slash 2. This is an integer division and the whole part will be retained and the fraction part will get omitted. Again, If you check the condition n greater than 0, if it is true, the loop will continue until n greater than 0. If it is false, I will come out of the loop and reverse the value stored in the variable b and print the result in the b and ending this flowchart. We will take a sample input and check how this flowchart works. So my input n equal to 4. We come here, check the condition 4 greater than 0. 4 greater than 0. So the condition is true. R equal to n modulo 2. R equal to 4 modulo 2. The result is 0. And append R to B. So I am appending. I am having a value B here. This step, append R to B. So the 0 will get stored in the variable B. Next, n equal to n by 2. Here, n equal to 4 double slash 2 integer division, then n is become 2. We come here and check the condition n greater than 0. 2 greater than 0. Condition is true. R equal to n modulo 2. R equal to 2 modulo 2. The remainder is 0. Append R to B. Again another 0 will get appended with the existing value of B because this is append. Then n equal to n by 2. N equal to 2 integer division of 2, which is 1. We come here and check the condition 1 greater than 0. The condition is true. R equal to n modulo 2. R equal to 1 modulo 2, which is 1. Because 2 is greater than 1, it will return the same value. If the value which is greater than 2, then only the remainder will be written. For any modular division, it will work like this. So 1. Append R to B. Append 1 to B. So 0, 0, 1 is the B value. N equal to n integer division of 2, which is 1 by 2, 0.5. The value is 0. And it will come out and check the condition 0 greater than 0 is false. So it will do reverse of B. So what is the reverse of B? 0, 0, 1. Reverse of B is, now B is become 1, 0, 0. I am printing the output. So my output 1, 0, 0. What is my input? My input is 4. My output is 1, 0, 0. So the flowchart is working perfectly. It works for any decimal number. The physical conversion of decimal to binary, I have posted a video and give the link in the description. If you want to see the conversion, please access that link. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.